Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn some more examples in practice set 3.5. Now here, example number 4. In the figure, segment RES is a diameter of circle with center O. Point T lies in the exterior of circle. Prove that we have to prove angle RTS is an acute angle. Acute means angle whose measure is less than 90 degree. We have to prove this. Now here we see here how we can prove this. Now let we consider segment RT intersect circle at point M. Draw segment MS. Now here this angle RMS is a right angle. That is angle inscribed in a semicircle. This is diameter, therefore this is semicircle. Angle inscribed in a semicircle is of right angle. Therefore this angle is of 90 degree. Therefore angle MTS, this is right angle triangle. That is addition of all these three angle is of 180 degree. By using this we see how we can prove this. Now here first write down, first we consider let segment RT intersect circle at point M. Intersect circle at point M. Draw segment MS. Now angle RMS is a right angle. Therefore angle RMS is a right angle. This angle is a right angle since, write down in bracket, angles inscribed in a semicircle. Angle inscribed in a semicircle. Now this is a right angle, therefore angle RMS is equal to 90 degree. That is SM perpendicular to segment RT, that is segment SM perpendicular to segment RT. Therefore triangle TMS is a right angle. This is perpendicular, therefore this is a right angle triangle. Therefore triangle TMS is a right angle triangle. Now this is a right angle triangle, therefore sum of all these three angles of this triangle is of 180 degree. Therefore angle TMS plus angle MTS plus angle MST is equal to 180. Now put value of angle TMS. TMS is 90 degree. 90 plus angle MTS plus angle MST is equal to 180. Therefore angle MTS plus angle MST is equal to 180. Transfer this to the right hand side, that is minus 90. Therefore, angle MTS plus angle MST is equal to 90 degree. That is, angle MTS plus angle MST, sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Means angle MTS is less than 90 degree. Therefore, angle MTS is less than 90 degree. Means this angle is less than 90 degree. Angle MTS less than 90 degree, that is angle RTS is less than, we can write this as, that is angle RTS is less than 90 degree. And angle RTS is less than 90 degree, therefore we can write this as angle RTS is acute angle. This is less than 90 degree, means this angle is less than 90 degree, means this angle is an acute angle. Therefore the answer is, therefore angle RTS is an acute angle, is an acute angle. Now example number 5. Question number 5. Prove that any rectangle is a cyclic quadrilateral. Any rectangle is a cyclic quadrilateral. Any rectangle is a cyclic quadrilateral. We have to prove this. Now for this, draw the figure. Suppose ABCD is a rectangle. We know that all angles of a rectangle is of 90 degree. Now we have to prove that any rectangle is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now here given quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle, we have to given this. To prove quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic. Proof. Now quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle, therefore all angles are of 90 degree. By using this, we see how we can prove this. Now here given, write down, given quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. To prove, now we have to prove this rectangle is cyclic. Quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic. Quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic means we know by definition of cyclic quadrilateral, this sum of these two opposite angles is of 90 degree or they are supplementary, then that quadrilateral is called cyclic quadrilateral. Now here quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic. Proof. Now first write down given quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. This is given. Now this is rectangle, therefore all its angles are of 90 degree. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. That is angles of a rectangle. Write down in bracket angles of a rectangle. Now we take some of these opposite angles. Now angle A plus angle C is equal to angle A is 90 degree, 90 plus C is 90. Therefore, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. That is, opposite angles are supplementary. That is, its sum is 180 degree. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic. Since opposite angles are supplementary. Since opposite angles of a quadrilateral is supplementary. And we have to prove this quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now question number 6. In figure, measure of arc NES is 125 degree. Measure of arc EF is 37. Find the measure of angle NMS. We have to find value of this angle. Measure of angle NMS. Now here chord EN and chord FS intersect each other outside the circle. And we know that two chords intersect each other outside the circle. Therefore, value of this angle is half of difference between these two arcs. Now write down chord, or first write down given, or write down directly chords EN and FS intersect each other outside the circle. Chords EN and FS intersect each other outside the circle. Therefore, angle NMS is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket measure of arc NES minus measure of arc EF is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket. Now measure of arc NES is 125 minus measure of arc EF is 37 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 15 minus 7 8 or 12 minus 4 8 0 dividing by 2 44. Therefore, angle NMS is equal to angle NMS is equal to 44 degree. we have to find value of this angle. This is 44 degree. Now question number 7. Question number 7. In figure, chords AC and DE, AC and DE intersect at B, intersect at B if angle ABE, if angle ABE is equal to 108 degree, measure of arc AE, measure of arc AE is equal to 95 degree, find measure of arc DC, measure of arc DC. This is AC, chord AC, chord DE intersect each other in point B. We have given value of angle ABE. Angle ABE is of 108 degree. Angle we have not given value of this angle. We have given angle ABE, this we have given this value 180 degree. Measure of arc AE is 95 degree and we have to find measure of arc DC. Now we see that chord AC and chord DE intersect each other inside the circle. Therefore, angle ABE is equal to 1 upon 2 measure of arc E plus 1 measure of arc DC. Now by putting these two values, we get measure of arc DC. Now write down chords AC, write down given chords AC and DE intersect each other inside the circle. Therefore, angle ABE is equal to 1 upon 2 measure of arc AE plus measure of arc DC. Now we have given value of this angle. Angle AB is 108 is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket. Measure of arc is given 95 plus measure of arc DC. Now multiplying this to here, 108 into 2 is equal to 95 plus measure of arc DC. Take multiplication, 216. Therefore 216 is equal to 95 plus measure of arc DC. Therefore write down this for measure of arc DC. Therefore, measure of arc DC is equal to, transfer this to the left hand side, write down here in right hand side, 216 minus 95. Therefore, measure of arc DC is equal to 1. 11 minus 9 is 2. Here 1. 121 degree. Therefore, measure of arc DC is equal to 121 degree. Thank you.